You, you. Come here, let me tell you a secret about the sexiest upscale party for Atlanta's urban professionals. It's called Freedom Friday, held every first Friday of the month at 595 North in Event Venue and Lounge, downtown Atlanta. My God! Open bar till 11. Everyone free all night, no cover. Dress code is cosmopolitan fresh. Fellas, the women? Oh, the women. So
And then come to Freedom Friday, sexy and trendy.
Freedom Friday at 595 North, Event Venue and Lounge, downtown Atlanta. Open bar till 11. No cover all night. Tons of free parking. And the food is to die for. Super sexy DJ Tracy still up 1079, cranking the party up, and always a celebrity DJ to shut it down. Cosmopolitan dress code strictly, of course. This is a grown and sexy affair. Held every first Friday of the month at 595 North Event Venue and Lounge, downtown Atlanta, at the crossroads of Northside Drive and North Avenue.
This is a High Life Society production.
Freedom Friday. Escape the norm.